Hey, lovelies. So I made a promise that when I was making my withdrawal on WONTON, I'm going to share the video with you guys. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything: crypto trading updates, airdrop mining updates. I also share how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that particular job, or even as a sit at some person, or as a side hustle. I also share my no-fail commercial recipes from time to time. So this is that channel where we share everything legit that brings in good money and you want to stay subscribed to. So this is WONTON. I shared some days back how to properly mine WONTON. And I said it is one of those airdrop projects that pays you while you are still mining, even before the list. Which to me is very, very cool. No matter how small, you are being paid. But it makes sense that you're getting something instead of waiting for an airdrop project that you mine for weeks and months, and at the end of the day, when they list out dust. So this particular airdrop project pays you in TON and in USDT while you mine. It is one of the third airdrop project that I introduced lately to my Telegram subscribers that pays you while you are mining. In TON, in USDT, there's another one that pays also in BTC, Bitcoin. So this are the kind of airdrop project I'm really making serious researches on, like airdrop project that pays you while you are mining in TON, in USDT, and even in Bitcoin. So this is WONTON. I'm not going to walk you through the process of how to mine because I've done that before. I'm just going to share a video. I'll share the link of the video on how to mine. If you missed that video, please check it out. So do me a big favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you're going to come down here and click on WONTON here. Right? You come there, you click on WONTON. And once you click on the WONTON, you see that I have about 0.23 TON. It's loading. I have about 0.023 TON and 0.0110 USDT. So for those of you that have not yet seen that particular video, I'll also leave the link. You might be wondering, how do I come about with this balance? Just make sure that you come here, you come down to this place that shows skins or bows, like here that shows skins or bows, right? And when you come down there, look at this place that shows sell. This is where we make our money. If you see anything in where they wrote this TON, if you see anything there in this TON, and this TON balance, yeah, it's showing 0 now. I've already claimed. Just click on sell. Don't hold, just sell. Sell, guys, sell it. It's better for you to hold it in your TON keeper or in your Telegram wallet than holding it here. So sell it here. You see it here, it will be like 0.01 TON or 0. Like this morning I got 0.015 TON. Just sell. That's how you make your money here, or your cryptocurrencies here. So if you scroll up, you see others. I've already gotten withdraw everything. You see this particular one in USDT. See this one USDT. Just once you acquire those skins, just sell. Same thing with the bows. Once you acquire them, to the bows too. Once you acquire them, just sell it. So I'm going to do my withdrawal live here so that you see. Make sure your wallet is connected. I'm using my TON keeper for easy access. So I'll click on withdraw. Then make sure you have a little bit of TON for gas fee. You know, TON keeper is an on-chain kind of wallet. So make sure you have a kind of little gas fee on TON keeper. So if I click on this place to withdraw, it will say you will be withdrawing 0.230 TON coins from WONTON. Please ensure that you have connected to the correct wallet and have enough TON coins to cover the gas fee. So I'll click here, withdraw. And once I click to withdraw, I'm just trying to show you that it's legit. Once I click to withdraw, it will confirm the transaction on your TON keeper. So I'm just going to click on open wallet, and it will redirect me to TON keeper. So I'm going to swipe. You see the gas fee is network fee or gas fee or transaction fee is this amount. I'm just going to swipe down here to confirm. I have about 0 point something ton before. Let me confirm and done. So it's going to refresh and take me back to this WONTON. And if I scroll up now, you said there is nothing in my balance. Now, peradventure you don't even have an on-chain gas fee. You don't have a network fee or a gas fee, and you have already clicked on withdraw. What's going to happen? Your TON coin is not going to be lost. No, it's going to reflect beneath this, above this line. So this dash line, it's going to reflect above this line to show claim pending, because there was a time I tried to claim. I didn't know that I wasn't having enough TON gas fee. I wasn't having enough TON coin for gas fee, and it kept showing claim pending. And when I had sufficient gas fee, it reflected there. So I'm just going to click on my TON keeper right now. I just want to show you that what I did prior to now works. Let me clear this. Let me open my TON keeper, and I just want to show you that the transaction I did was successful. I had 4.59 USDT prior to now. I have 4.59 USDT prior to now, and I have 4.62 USDT. 4.62 USDT. Then I have about 0.70 something ton. Now it is 0.82. So it is legit, guys. So if you have not joined WONTON and you want to join, there's a link in the description box and also in the comment section. My first pinned comment, please join. Also join my Telegram channel, because that's where I drop updates as it's coming. So that's all about WONTON. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to mine WONTON well. It's one of those airdrop projects that pays you while you are still mining in USDT and in TON. So that's all for me for now. Make sure your wallet is connected. Make sure you do your daily tasks, and make sure you keep coming here to collect your tokens after every 180 minutes. So see you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.